She also runs a good horse and plow.
That's explosive.
That's why I keep her.
So they're stronger than you are.
Not just because you can plow some dirt.
Now down some heat. All fogged. Wonder who's gonna sponsor you.
Nobody.
Why not?
Because I don't care.
Oh.
Well, I try and keep my legs secret. But usually there's signs of other people.
Right. Yeah, there was no tracks other than moose. You want me to hold that?
No.
Honk. Just kidding.
What are you trying to do? Choke them to death? Yep. Big bait equals big fish. You need to go one more dangler. See it really hook up. Like such. Boom. There we go.
Hey, look.
Sweet, we found a bourbon lake. Oh. Yep. Just going towards my glasses. And I was just watching it too.
I know.
So if there is burbot, which I've seen, bait's still good. They like a little more jigging. And they don't really hit it hard right off the hot, and they kind of
Nibble.
they chew on it a bit,
Maybe.
and then they inhale it.
A little nibby.
And then these hooks aren't really big enough for burbot. There's one way to do a rod holder. Put your ice auger handle in between your reel and your rod. Or you have an auger, you can just drill a second partial hole, but your ice has to be thick enough.
What would the male use? We've caught male fish before. They don't
Yeah.
have penises. Where does the sperm come from? Their gills?
No,
No. So where?
from their anal vent.
No, it doesn't.
So how do fish have babies then?
They just happen.
Like Mother Mary just had a baby?
Yeah.
You don't think that the female just dumps their eggs into like a rocky shoal, and then the males come over and dump their sperm all over those eggs?
That would make sense. But we're
remember?
weird.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know anything about reproduction of fish.
We're people.
Well,
Didn't you watch the Magic School Bus where Miss Frizzle took all the children to get jizzed on by salmon?
no.
Do you know that chum salmon, like, you know how like we have adults and jacks, and they can fish, like, so a jack's like an undersized male.
Okay.
So a jack chum salmon
Mm-hmm.
will look slightly like a female salmon. So it'll cozy up next to an adult chum salmon, like adult male chum salmon. So he's like, oh, I'm breeding this female. And so like the male dumps all his sperm and everywhere. And then that jack will go over to the female. And then she'll dump all her eggs. And then he'll have a chance to dump all his sperm all over.
Oh,
Weird, eh?
that is strange.
Yeah, look it up.
I think I will.
You what?
I want to eat dinner and shower before I go to bed.
Well, where's all the fish?
There's no fish here.
It's 1 o'clock and we got to go home. Because you got to go to bed because you got to wake up and go to work.
Yeah, it gives you lots of time to do something else, like go grocery shopping.
Face is all dark. It means it's evil.
Arrgh.
At least we know there's
Burbot. The bee.
the bee,
The bee.
not the brook trout.
Not the brook trout. No brook.
We should go fishing for brookies
Okay.
at the mill.
Where?